ka-travel, this is Madoka of Global Pinoy Travel and Tours. Another day, another travel, and another travel agent po tayo. So I would like to welcome Mr. and Mrs. Salced John and Rolene Tabo from Zamboanga City. So sila po ay nag-avail ng ating home base affiliate package at actually naka-onboard na rin po sila sa ating mga ongoing na training. So congratulations po, no, Ma'am Rolene and Sir SJ. So welcome to Global Pinoy Family. So kasama po ninyo kami sa biyahe. So sa mga viewers po natin, kung nag-iisip ka rin po ng another source of income or another business to start this 2025, why not try travel and tours business? So pwede po tayo na mag-attend ng ating mga free webinars for you to know more about this business. And sa mga interested po, please do message me directly on my FB Messenger para po ma-guide ko kayo on how to start this travel and tours business. And with that, God bless po sa ating lahat.